The CONF file type is a configuration file for Unix or Linux applications, like Apache. It's text. On Windows, you can open it with Notepad to see the server settings. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's inspect the settings. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for CONF problems. See below for my top choice. A CONF file stores configuration settings for software applications or operating systems. These files contain parameters that define how a program behaves, including user preferences, system settings, and hardware configurations. CONF files allow users and administrators to customize software behavior without modifying the program's source code. CONF files are typically plain text files, often using a key-value pair format or a structured markup language like YAML or JSON. The design involves defining a clear and consistent syntax for specifying configuration options. Applications parse these files at startup to load the settings and adjust their behavior accordingly. The most common market-leading program for CONF is varies from varies. Improper handling in Windows can corrupt the underlying system files severely. Windows provides a basic view of configuration data, but meaningful edits require technical familiarity. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your CONF file and choose Open With. Test varies first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. When your CONF file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, use text editor. Open the file using any text editor, Notepad, Sublime text, to view the content, as it is usually a plain text configuration file. Next, check Associated Program. Determine the associated program, e.g. web server, game, or utility, that uses the .conf file. Finally, check syntax. If the program fails, check the file for basic syntax errors, e.g. missing semicolons, incorrect values. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.